Yes, it is 2020. Congratulations. We made it. We did it. Now it's time to start all over again. So give this video a thumbs up, okay? And if you have not subscribed already, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel, okay? There's going to be awesome content coming, all right? So subscribe, share it, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Get this video to 15 likes, all right? And I will do a $5 giveaway, all right? So get to 20 likes and I will do a $5 giveaway, all right? $5. All right, okay. So me and my son, we're going to make some s'mores. So go ahead, sit down. If you like s'mores, I advise you to go out, get some marshmallows, graham crackers, milk chocolate, and do it with us, okay? This is all for the kids, the single parents, or if you just really want some s'mores, all right? Because you ain't too old for some s'mores, all right? You're not old at all. So let's get on with this video, all right? All right. We're making s'mores, okay? If I can get this to...
What's this, Mama?
Well, first you gotta do this first, okay? You gotta get some parchment paper, okay? Some parchment paper.
Look, Mama.
Okay, so they got parchment paper. We're gonna need next, King.
Next,
what we need next? We need graham crackers.
Graham crackers.
Yes, okay?
Mama.
Look at this and
don't break that one, no, King. No, King, stop. like this, baby, like this. Break it in half, okay? Break it in half. Break it in half. See? Half.
Mama, crackers.
All we need is about 6 anyways. We're gonna take those out. Break them in half. Oh goodness, King.
Break it in half.
Yes. No, keep them on there. No. Keep them on there. Okay? We need like 6. Right? So we're going to get, thank you. We're going to do 6, okay? What's next? Marshmallows. Say marshmallows.
Mama, marshmallows.
Okay, we're going to open it. We're going to put on the cracker, okay? Put them on just like this. Okay, you want to take some for me and do it? Thank you. Thank you. Such a good helper. Okay, that's all we need.
Chocolate.
What's next? This Hershey chocolate? Okay, you gonna open it for me? I'm gonna open it for you. Open it. I'll open it. Hold on. Why are you stealing my chocolate? Break it in half. Break it in half like this. Just break it in half, okay? Okay. Put it right there. Put it on there. Put it on there. Okay. We're gonna leave these two. Let's break these like this then. Probably too much chocolate for you. Break it like this.
You're not gonna make me eat that tonight.
Alright, like that. Okay, we're gonna put it in the oven.
No.
We're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees. Okay. Just for 4 minutes. 4 minutes only. Okay, so it's almost done, right? We're gonna what? Put these.
Chocolate. Chocolate. Put this hot.
Yes, all we have to do is what? Put
Mama,
the top layer on,
Mama.
right?
Some pie, Mama.
Some what?
Some pie.
Pie. These are graham crackers.
Give it.
Graham crackers, marshmallows, chocolate. They're s'mores. S'mores.
Crackers and
You gonna do it for me? You want me to do it? Want me to do it? Okay, I'll do it.
How do it?
Wait. Let me do one. You do one. Just leave that alone. Come. Come do it.
Really?
Just put that on top. Put that on top. That, Put it on top. There you go. Okay. That right here. There
Look,
you go.
Mama. Look, over there.
Over there. There you go. Okay, last one real quick. Okay. Right?
It's a pie.
And we're gonna press them down. Alright? Press them down. Press them down. Press them down.
Mama,
What's
you push it down?
Yeah, and there's now we have s'mores. This looks so good, y'all.
And the cake on the table.
Where's your little plate?
From my table.
Need to get you one.
Over my plate.
Oh, that one like it's melting up. It's a little hot. Okay, wait for it to cool down, okay? And
Mama.
that is how you make s'mores.
Mama, on the table.
You want to tell people bye?
Come on.
Say bye, YouTube.
To
Say bye, YouTube.
bye to
YouTube.
YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye to cake.
Bye.
That's my